So let's discuss about statistical error. As you know that it's very difficult to collect the data from the entire population. So what we will do, to collect data by using sample method in an assumption that the sample will equally represent population. But sometimes it may not true, and in most of the cases there is a difference between the value of population and sample. If such thing is happen, it is known as statistical error. The term error in statistics refers to the difference between actual value and estimated value. When we compute statistics for explaining the features of a population, this difference is very common. There are two types of statistical error, that is sampling error and non-sampling error. Let's discuss sampling error with an example. Suppose the producers of a particular TV serial in Kerala want to determine the viewership of their serial which is aired on Asianet. And they believe that the people between the age of 40 and 50 will usually more interest to watch serials in North Kerala, and most of them can spare time to watch the serials every day. So this was their basic assumption regarding population. But on the contrary, people between the age of 40 and 45 in North Kerala usually are not interested and will not have time to watch TV. So this is a reality. And if they are based or collected the data on this assumption, definitely there is a difference between the value of population and the value of sample actually they have taken. So if they collect sample on this basis, there will be a sampling error. That means the difference between the statistic, that is the data value derived from sample, and the parameters, that is the data or the value derived from population, due to adopting the sampling procedure, then there is definitely a chance of sampling error. In a sample study, we do not examine all the units in the population if the sample is not exactly the same as that of population, errors are likely. On the other hand, errors that are involved in the observation, processing, tabulation, analysis of information, then they are known as non-sampling error. This is actually the mistakes which we are committed while processing this data from the sample. So these all are sampling errors.